Thokozani emakhosini. Ake ngikhulume la wena namuhla wena mntwana Madloti, wena mntwana wetithunywa, wena mntwana wangibulungulu. Wena soloko uyakhala, wena soloko uthi mina phela leli bizo leli mina ngalivuma. Mina I have accepted my calling. Bese ake ngikubude namuhla ukuthi wena how did you accept this calling? When you accepted this calling ukuthi ugcoke emahiya endlini kuphela. You accepted this calling that you wear your bits only inside the house. You accepted this calling that ugcoka amajazi emfihlakalweni. Wena ugcoka amajazi akho, ugcoka tiphika takho endlini kuphela. Wena awubona umuntu ukuthi umuntu wemoya. Wena awubona umuntu ukuthi wena you have accepted this gift. When you accepted this gift inside closed doors. When you accept this gift only inside doors, inside closed doors. Bese ake sikubude namhla ukuthi kahle wena lo libizo leli wali accept kanjani that you are so ashamed to wear the things that we have shown you, we have given you. You are so ashamed to wear the power that mine ngakupha yona as umdali welizulu nemhlaba. Bese ake ngikubude ukuthi kahle wena lendo wayi accept kanjani, wena wayihamba kanjani lendlela. You accepted this gift ngendlela yokuthi uhamba ubhaca nasetindumbeni. Hawu mina no, I don't want people to see ukuthi batokhona because bayothwebula amadloti ami. I don't want people to see me wearing beads. I don't want people to see me wearing my hair. I don't want people to see me praying because I'm protecting my gift. I'm protecting my Bese ake ngikubude namuhla ukuthi kahle lento uyi accept njani wena. Who told you to hide it? Who told you to hide it? Thokozani emakhosini. Stay blessed.